Welcome to Happy Sewing, and to this tutorial where we are making these overall pants. The tools we are using in this tutorial are a rotary cutter, clips, glue pen, wonder dots, and ring snaps. We are using jersey fabric, and the pattern we are using is the Happy Sewing Overall Pants sewing pattern. You can find the pattern on our website, and the link is in the description. We start cutting the fabric. We cut it against the fold, and we pay attention to the arrows that show the fabric directions. We cut one front piece and one back piece from this fabric. This red jersey fabric is going to be inside the overall pants. We cut one front and one back piece from this fabric, as well both of them against fold. And we cut 2 foot ribs from this fabric. All pieces are ready. We have one back piece, one front piece, then we have 2 lining pieces, one for the front and one for the back piece, and 2 foot ribs. We apply wonder dots on both shoulders. We are pressing the wonder dots on the fabric's wrong side, one for each shoulder, on the front and back piece and the lining. We attach the lining to each of the pieces like this. We apply some glue and clips for stabilization. I leave around 3 to 5 centimeters at the bottom of the lining on both sides. I then sew around each piece using a regular sewing machine. I'm using a Husqvarna Opal 650. We start sewing in the arch of the armholes and finish in the same place on the opposite side. I use a stitch and needle for stretchy fabrics. I recommend a zigzag seam or a false overlock seam. With the lining attached to the outer fabric, we fold them over like this to get them the right way out again. We are joining the front and back piece to each other, and we do it like this. We join them from the top of the sides and down. The top part of the shoulder straps will be joined with ring snaps. We stitch them together using the same machine as we did earlier. We are joining the foot ribs as well. I fold the foot ribs like this. I stitch them together using a zigzag seam. When the foot rib is done, I fold them like this and place them in the foot opening and align the seam on the foot rib and the inner and outer seam. We then stitch them together. I apply ring snaps and fasten any loose threadings. And the overall pants are complete! Thank you so much for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to Happy Sewing if you liked our content.